So attention everyone, fasten your seat belts because it's time for you to take off. So we are thrilled to unveil the names of those who are now officially TNC stars. Maninder, Tahin, Kritika, Miss Ching, Arpita Gurung, Roshni, Riddhi, Mansi, Palak, Rashmi, Suhani. Ladies, your wings are ready and the skies are calling you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Your cabin crew.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you so much, Miss.
How was it?
Miss, you scared all of
Miss,
us.
the starting was not good. It was scary.
So future cabin crew, your journey begins now. You are TNC trained. So the results are in and you have passed with flying colors. Congratulations.